Alright, this, as you see from the title, this video is about a proof of concept of my rocket stove that I built from bricks. So we're going to wok up a meal on it and see how that turns out. So I'm going to do a turkey stir fry with lots of vegetables and some nice peppery flavours in there. So stay tuned. Alright, the rocket stove is chucking out a lot of heat and I'm going to get the wok on there, get it hot. I've got all my stuff laid out and ready to go, and I think it's going to be time to get going anytime soon. That's roaring, that is. That's awesome. I'll put a bit of charcoal in it to give it some oomph. And I'm doing turkey stir fry. We get a bit of oil in that, and in with my turkey. And the pan is so hot that it's sealing straight away. The turkey I marinated in a bit of mushroom soy sauce, a bit of Golden Mountain soya seasoning, and a little bit of slap your mama. Other vegetables I've got here, I've got some onion, which I've chopped, about half a white onion which I've chopped up, sorry, half a brown onion which I've chopped up. I've got some shredded cabbage, I've got a medium-sized zucchini which I've sliced up, some yellow and red peppers which are sliced up, some garlic, and these are Kenyan chili peppers which are quite nice. They're more for they're quite sweet really, with a bit of heat, you know. Other seasoning I've got here, and I've been saving this one. This is Paramin hot pepper sauce. I've been saving this one up for a special occasion because I'm heading back to Trinidad real soon. Incidentally, I took it up another tier, so I've got another 4 bricks, which I thought might increase the vortex, and it also lifts it to a nice usable height. It's a lot better. I'm going to take this off now and put that into a oops, a bit escaped, got on the floor. Don't worry, the seagulls will have that as soon as they see it. Right, a bit more oil in there. Get a good strike heat on that. In with the onions. And then in with the peppers. I want the peppers to go in there. Super hot. In with the cabbage. Lovely smell coming from those peppers and onion now. In with the garlic and chilli. Lovely, real nice. It's going to give it a nice spicy kick. I'm going to mix up some cornstarch as a slurry. smelling good. Oh, the garlic smells great. Wonderful. Into that goes my zucchini. So I'm cooking, you notice I'm cooking the aromatics and then the hardest vegetables first and then the softer vegetable towards the end. Just going to keep that going for a bit. Wonderful. And if you can see the flames coming up from that, pretty ferocious. And looking down at the flames from above, they're coming swirling up in a vortex, which is exactly what I was trying to achieve. That's cooking down nice. Right, back in with the turkey. In goes the turkey. And what I did is I used some turkey breast steaks, which I just cut up into nice little pieces for stir frying. See how I'm doing for fuel. Very good still. Chuck a bit more in because I can. Get in. There you go. I'm going to add a little bit more of my soy sauces. A little splash each. And about a tablespoon of this lovely paramint sauce. And that will slightly trinify my stir fry. Trinify your stir fry. You heard it first here, folks. There you go. Wonderful. And it adds that lovely kick of heat and garlic that's in that wonderful paramint hot pepper sauce. It's really nice, that paramint hot pepper sauce. It's good on everything. Chicken, fish, vegetables, turkey stir fries. In goes my slurry, and I think I'm going to have to add a bit of liquid to that. There we go. There we go. And we'll cook that now to make a nice thick gravy in it. And the noodles I've got are the remainder of the, I don't know if you saw me cook the other day, and it's tagliatelle made with nettle tops, so it's tagliatelle verde with nettle tops. And I think it's going to be lush. Alright, the sauce is starting to thicken up and it's looking real good. Right, I'm going to get you tight into that bowl now. It's bubbling up fine. Right, everything's nice. There's still a bit of crunch left in those vegetables. And in goes my pasta. I think this has made a big meal, right? We'll be eating this tomorrow. I cut the zucchini quite thin and it's going on ribbony and it looks great with the pasta. I really like that. It's got lots of pasta, so it's definitely not a keto, but it's certainly a one pot meal. And that one will be very tasty. So there you go, proof of concept. A rocket stove is a viable method of cooking, and it makes an excellent wok station because it gets a heat that I can't achieve on an ordinary cooker. So all in all, am I impressed? Yeah, I'm impressed. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.